Happy Friday, guys! It's Charles, and you are in my bathroom. I mean, how intimate is this? This is pretty cool. So you guys, check this out. I got a new camera, and you guys know what that means. If I got a new camera, that means more videos for you guys, which is awesome. Happy 2018. I just got back from Bali, so some of you guys know I was traveling. If you watched my last vlog, check it out. Oh, it's a little bit bright. How do I turn this down? If you checked out my last vlog, you know that I've been traveling in Bali. I went to see my family in Taipei, Taiwan, which is so awesome. Link that video. It was just such a good time, and I go back every year, and I feel so recharged, so energized, so fresh, and I'm back in my apartment. You guys like that painting? So this, I actually painted with one of my good friends. It is the number 8, and it symbolizes infinity, abundance, and I don't know, I just love that sign. It's just like effervescence, forever, and I love it. So, you guys, I got home, and what's the first thing I want to do? Obviously relax, chill out. This is my beautiful couch. So, I want to do a vlogging challenge. So my cousin Curtis, if you haven't noticed, he's been in a lot of my vlogs, and I've been in a lot of his vlogs. He inspired me to get this new camera to share with you guys more things, and I just thought I want to connect with you guys. I really want this year to be about connection, authenticity, sharing with you guys, raw emotions, going back to some of my, if you've been following me for a while, some of my old videos where I'm just sharing straight to the camera, candid, and obviously we have the high production videos, all that stuff. But first things first, okay, I got back from Bali last night. What's the first thing I want to do? Check this out, you guys. This is my kitchen. If you haven't seen in some of my kitchen hustle videos, open my fridge. Oh my gosh, I've been gone for almost a month and there's nothing in my fridge. So what do I do when there's nothing in my fridge? I go shopping. So I wanted to share with you guys some of the things that I get that I'm going to be eating. I'm eating a little bit healthier because I'm going on this cleanse. But I wanted to share you guys like a shopping haul. Like, these are some of the foods that I buy, and if you're on a budget, this is pretty cool. If you want to save money, I'm gonna walk you guys through everything. Okay, so got a bunch of stuff. I just went to Trader Joe's. I don't know where you guys shop. Let me know in the comments below. Where do you guys shop to stay on a budget, things like that. And everything right here you see I got for only $80, 80 US dollars. That's like really, really good. So apples, got some mangoes to make smoothies. I'm gonna make a smoothie because I just got back from the gym, and I usually go on this regimen, and if you guys want to know what this is, I'll leave it in a blog post so you guys can follow along for 30 days and see how you feel. And moderate anything, take things out. I always say listen to your own body, because everyone's body is completely different. So I have some coleslaw, organic, lemon for lemon water first thing in the morning. You guys know I'm big on that. Cauliflower rice, because I've been eating a lot of heavy starches, rice and noodles and things like that in Asia. So I'm doing a little detox. Healthy fats, I have some avocado. This is like my healthy snack. Plantain chips, so good. Also, sometimes I do cassava chips. What is your favorite snack? Leave it in the comments below, let me know. If you guys haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe and turn your notifications on, because if you don't turn on your notifications, you're not gonna get my videos. And I'm gonna be making so many videos. You guys will make sure you guys stay tuned. Some tea. Here is some Moroccan green tea, Moroccan mint tea. I'm gonna have some of that after I have my smoothie. Some marinara sauce, no sodium, which is awesome if you're trying to watch your sodium intake. As I'm detoxifying, you want to limit your amount of sodium so you don't intake too much, because you're detoxifying, getting rid of toxins. Make sure that there's lots of fiber, and you can totally go plant-based, but I'm doing fish only, no meats, but just fish, poultry. So I have some wild-caught salmon. I also have some sardines. This is a fantastic source of protein, sardines. Lots of veggies you see. Spinach, broccoli, cauliflower, little tiny zucchinis, and I'll share with you guys photos of dishes as I make this. But right now, I'm probably just gonna make a smoothie. So I'll put this on a stand, which is awesome, and I'll talk to you guys and share with you guys my trip in Bali. There you go. All right, so I'm gonna put the camera right there. I have some coconut milk. I'm gonna put, this is gonna be a simple smoothie. I mean, don't wanna get too fancy. As you're cleansing, like smoothies are so good to just keep flushing out the body with lots of fiber and chlorophyll, because you're getting your greens. And I love this combination. This is just like a super, super easy one. Mangoes. If you wanna watch your sugar intake, just swap it out for a low sugar fruit like strawberries or blueberries. I'm not afraid of sugars because I do burn a lot of my calories at the gym and I'm able to work out. So I'm not afraid of it. So I have some mangoes, high in vitamin C, and just one of my favorite fruits. So what can I share with you guys? Bali was an amazing trip. I was just enthralled in like nature. We went to the waterfall, went praying at the temples, connected with so many new friends. This is one of my favorite things about traveling is being able to make new friends. Being able to, putting some spinach in here, being able to be uncomfortable, you know, not knowing where you're gonna go next, saying yes to opportunities that arise. That's what I love about traveling, just the unknown, stepping into the unknown, the adventure, and living, like being alive. A lot of people are alive, but they're not living their life to the fullest. And I feel like I challenge you guys to do things every single day that scare you, that make you feel alive. So in here I have coconut water, mangoes, and spinach. I am now going to see what's in my pantry, and I'm gonna add some stuff. I think I have chia seeds. Let me see. Oh yes. I have so many chia seeds. I'm gonna add in some chia seeds for some more fiber. I told you this is a very fibrous smoothie, but keep it simple. So this is something you guys can all do. So coconut milk, spinach, mangoes, chia seeds, and one last ingredient, lemon juice, to bring out the sweetness, to alkalize the body. I told you, super simple, right? I'm gonna roll this up and cut this baby. It just feels so good to be home though. It's 2018. I wanna know from you guys, did you guys set any resolutions? What are some of your goals, aspirations? What is something you're gonna be doing differently than last year? Did you release and let go of some things that no longer serve you? I mean, I've released a lot of negative relationships or things that I've come to realize are not serving my highest good or that is holding me back. I feel so much lighter, and I think when you let go, it's like a symbolism of letting go of things on your body too. You start shedding pounds, and people think that there's no connection to food and your body and mental stress, but I am a big believer, and I want to know from you guys, do you guys feel the same way? I know that if you let go of things, thoughts, negative thoughts, it actually manifests in your physical form. So big believer. If you guys want to join my 30-day cleanse challenge, just eating super clean, I'm going to be sharing with you guys. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. Who does lemon juice or lemon water in the morning to detoxify your kidneys and liver? So good, so cheap, so good for you. Alright, if you guys like these videos, make sure you like this video and comment below. If you guys feel engaged, then I'm gonna make more videos. If you guys don't really engage, then I'm not gonna make more videos. So let me know what you guys like to see. And alright, I'm gonna blend this. Show you guys my blender. So I'm just gonna blend this. Here's some of my food. I'm just gonna leave it blending in the background so we can talk and chat. This is my room. I'm a big believer of cleanliness and keeping things minimalized. This is my little work desk. I have some of my goals on here and things like that, and some of my motivation, inspiration, all that good stuff. It's really important to make sure that you are inspired in the place that you live. I have some books, candles. I love the way that it smells. Some yummy good. All right, it's done. All right, I'm gonna keep these videos as unedited, as raw as possible. I'll probably add a little bit of background music, but other than that, if you guys like the candidness, let me know in the comments below. I'm serious, if you guys like these videos, let me know. Comment below, what do you guys wanna see? What do you guys wanna learn? What do you guys want me to talk about? Any questions, I will answer them. Sending you guys lots of love. All right, well, let me put this on a thing so you guys can see me try this smoothie, let you know if it's good. Again, coconut milk, spinach, chia seeds, mangoes, and lemon juice. Super, super simple. Keep it simple, you guys. Don't overdo it. Oh my gosh, so good. I'll leave the recipe below. See you guys soon. Have a great weekend. Well, I'll make another video tomorrow. Oh, see you guys.